Before we go, we will leave you with the sights and sound of the burial ceremony of Madam Philomena Egwuenu'S, mother of our colleague, Ojinika Upe, presenter of What's Trending on the Morning Show. The burial ceremony took place in Chief Matthew Egwuenu'S compound in Obienye Onitsha, Umukwata, Ukwane local government area of Delta State. Here is the report.
You are the grace that placed yourselves where lives were torn apart. You called out to our country and you whispered to those in pain. Now you belong to heaven and the stars spell out your name. And it seems to me you lived your life like a candle in the wind, never fading with the sun.
Hey Mama, you have given birth to giants and we will hold your legacy, Mommy. You will never be forgotten, Mommy. You are a great warrior, Mommy. You fought the greatest battle and you lived, Mommy. You lived.
Loveliness we've lost, those empty days without your smile. This torch we'll always carry for our nation's golden child. Even though we try, the truth brings us to tears. All our words cannot express the joy you brought us. And it seems to me you've lived your life like a candle in the wind, never fading with the sunset when the rain set in. And your footsteps will always follow.
For my grandmother, Chief Miss Philomena Egwuenu'S, family and friends, that they may be given hope, peace, and consolation, treasuring the memories they have with her. We pray to the Lord.
May you ever grow in our hearts. You were the grace that placed yourselves where lives were torn apart. Goodbye, this road from a country lost without your soul, who missed the wings of your compassion more than you will ever know. And it seems to me you've lived your life like a candle in the wind, never fading with the sunset when the rain set in. And your footsteps will always fall here along England's greenest hills. The candles burned out long before legend ever will.
Thank you very much for honoring my mother this way. We are so elated. We are very happy and honored that you all took out time tonight at very short notice to come out to commiserate with us and to celebrate the life of Chief Mrs. Philomena Egwuenu'S, our mother. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. God bless you. At this moment, I'm not too sure what to say. We have been overwhelmed by the love that you all have shared. Not just by your words, by your actions, your calls, your gifts, everything. We are so, so grateful. My father, my brother, my sisters, we all thank you. Thank you, thank you, thank you. My mother, will be truly happy tonight. I am sure she is smiling and she's dancing with the angels, because she is an angel.
Your legend ever will.